On December 29th at 11:39:32 p.m., an earthquake of magnitude 4.9 hit Sidney Island north of Victoria. The earthquake hits now, and 6 seconds later the P wave hits Victoria. At 10 seconds the P wave hits Delta and White Rock. It then moves on to the North Shore as the S wave hits Victoria, and at 20 seconds Delta and White Rock. At 23 seconds the earthquake hits the North Shore, Abbotsford, Langley, Tofino, Gibsons, and finally onto Powell River, where almost nothing is left of the earthquake due to the distance. And then we see how the earthquake subsides. Only a few places is still moving, like Delta and Abbotsford, where we have some swampy areas and the earthquake tends to stay longer. And Powell River is still shaking. Nothing really happens up in Campbell River. It's simply too far away from the epicenter to feel any significant earthquake. Had the earthquake been strong enough for the P wave to set off the warnings in the schools, Delta and White Rock would have received about 13 seconds of warning, and North Vancouver and Abbotsford would have received about 16 seconds. As it were, our thresholds are 2 milli-G, and the P wave in Victoria was no more than 0.8 milli-G. If we had sensors closer to the epicenter on Sidney Island, we would have gained an additional 6 seconds, and this is why we would like the network to be built out further.